NewmansHolidayHomes.com, successfully letting privately owned caravans and luxury lodges since 1996. Whether you're looking to holiday or sublet your holiday home, Newmans take pride in total customer satisfaction. Thousands of satisfied customers return year after year to book through NewmansHolidayHomes.com at both Haven Devon Cliffs, Exmouth and Holiday Resort Unity, Breen Sands. Newman's aim is to make your holiday the very best by giving you the choice of over 250 privately owned caravans and luxury lodges.